Okay, today we're gonna test the myth that you can jump in a fridge. Oh, by the way, yeah, those are bullet holes. So yeah. Anyway, jump in a fridge and a nuke will go off, and you can just be safe in here. You know, fly a couple 100 miles away, but you'll be safe. So we're gonna have Alex here. He's gonna jump in there into this old freezer. It's about fridge size. So, and we're gonna tie it off with this here stuff. This here stuff. Yeah, I know it's retarded.
Yeah, he does.
Okay, let's do this. Get in there.
Alright. You got the stuff?
Alex, how you doing in there?
Ready to go.
Ready to go. Alright. Let's get this thing on the road. Let's get this thing on the road.
I'm gonna get out.
No, you're staying in there. Yeah. Check this out! Check this out! Ah. Oh. 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 Hey, you alright?
You alright?
I think he got knocked out. We'll bury him.